Buckle up and get ready to witness the future of trucks like never before. In today's video, we're counting down next-level truck inventions that are yet again changing the rules of power, speed, and innovation. Ranging from the astonishing electric monsters and self-driving inventions to utterly nuts and tough off-road modifications and intelligent carrying systems, trucks have never been so incredible. Number 1. Benalu EasyTarp Cover Sheet System. The Benalu EasyTarp Cover Sheet System is a cutting-edge electric, automatic tarpaulin system for trailers and semi-trailers, which offers safety, speed, and efficiency. The system is operated from wired and wireless electrical controls, which enable the driver to open and close the cover from the ground. The system finishes its operation in a record time of about 20 seconds, which increases productivity by a vast margin compared to traditional tarps. The EasyTarp is designed with a coordinated rack system that ensures efficient functioning of the system, irrespective of adverse climate conditions. The 100% waterproof functionality of this system ensures better load security, which remains dry and protected. The system has the potential to optimize airflow by encouraging the driver to cover the load, which helps to decrease fuel consumption by 3 to 4 liters per 100 kilometers. Number 2. KMD 2 to 3 Axle Extendable Loader. The KMD 2 to 3 Axle Extendable Loader is a versatile heavy-duty trailer engineered for transporting special and oversized loads efficiently. Its standout feature is the extendable chassis, which allows operators to adjust the length of the trailer to safely carry cargo of various sizes. Offered in both 2 and 3 axle configurations, it boasts flexible weight distribution in order to meet various load and road conditions. With a regulatable height, the integral hydraulic loading platform makes the loading and unloading process of heavy machinery a lot safer and time-saving. The KMD loader has been built with an emphatic feel for quality and durability to withstand the demanding conditions of transport. It will serve very well in construction, energy, and logistics sectors, while providing a very confident solution for handling complex and heavy transport operations. Number 3. Miller Century 5000 230. Miller Century 5000 230. Century Series heavy-duty integrated towing and recovery unit with impressive boom capability. 60,000 pounds retracted boom strength and 16,000 pounds extended boom strength with 120 inches of hydraulic extension. The Century Series also brings with 3-stage underlift capability, up to 35,000 pounds, retracted boom strength, and 16,000 pounds maximum strength at full 128 inches of extension with support for an 80,000 pounds tow rate. A strong, versatile Century Series unit has an ultra-low profile, 70-degree pivot crossbar with 9 sets of steel-cast, resin-coated composite forks. 2 control stations with 14-button wireless remote for ultimate control. Miller's new Century Series now incorporates its redesigned Century Series 5230 model with an aluminum body extrusion measuring 96 inches wide. Strength, longevity, and performance are now integrated with military-grade standards and plenty of hydraulic enhancements. Number 4. Ram Half-Pipe Tipper Semi-Trailer. The Ram Half-Pipe Tipper Semi-Trailer has been designed for heavy-duty transportation of bulks in tough conditions. Its body has been designed in the form of a half-pipe, ensuring greater strength, less sticking of materials, easy unloading, and enhanced flow of materials compared with traditional square-shaped bulks. However, the semi-trailer has been made of high-tensile steel, ensuring increased durability despite the optimal tear weight. Moreover, the tipping system of the semi-trailer has been designed in such a way that it can lift bulks in a smooth, controlled, and easy manner with ease, ensuring safety while unloading bulks in difficult operational conditions. Its strong chassis, suspension, and braking system make the Ram Half-Pipe Tipper Semi-Trailer more stable, safer, and more durable. Number 5. Bosch at IAA Transportation. At IAA Transportation, Bosch demonstrated its vision for the future of mobility, focusing on innovations for safety, sustainability, and efficiency in commercial mobility solutions. The firm showcased a wide range of powertrain offerings, including battery electric, fuel cell, hydrogen, and clean diesel options, complemented by truck electrification and e-scooters, while intensifying software-defined vehicle solutions that enable modular development and customization for smart, green, efficient commercial mobility through predictive vehicle maintenance, improved fuel efficiency, and optimized fleet performance, made possible by its software-defined vehicle solution, LOS, logistic operating system, and connectivity hub that provides real-time access to vehicle data, as well as improved safety features, including its mirrorless camera-based MirrorCam system and driver monitoring system. Number 6. Crampe Alootop. The hydraulically operated Crampe Alootop aluminum cover system is fitted for agricultural and earth-moving trailers. It fulfills the triangle of speed, durability, and protection. The fixed profiled aluminum plates fold hydraulically over the load, enabling fast covering, as with the FlexTop system, but with all the solidity a cover provides. In this way, sensitive cargo, like potatoes or other crops, is well protected during transport from rain, wind, and too much sun, keeping the product quality at the highest level. One obvious advantage is that the hydraulic tailgate can be opened even if the tarpaulin is closed. The lightweight construction in aluminum will not add more weight than necessary, preserving maximum payload capacity. That makes the Crampe Alootop an effective solution to today's transport needs for agriculture and earth moving. Number 7. Wise Volvo 4. The Wise Volvo 4-axle truck is a special commercial truck that is suited for heavy transportation services in the construction industry, forestry environments, and industries. The Volvo 4-axle truck is equipped with the popular Volvo chassis, making the truck robust and at the same time fuel efficient. The 4-axle truck enables the transportation of heavier cargo compared to other vehicles. The truck is endowed with a robust structure that is supported by a strong suspension system, thereby making it reliable during the transportation of heavier loads. Also, the truck is designed with convenience and comfort in mind. It is fitted with safety systems and other accessories such as cranes, wooden logs carriers, and tipper bodies, among others. The Wise Volvo 4-axle truck is suited for the transportation of heavy cargo. Number 8. Doll Long Timber Truck. The Doll Long Timber Truck is a purpose-built heavy-duty transport machine engineered to transport long forestry commodities like timber efficiently and safely. The heavy-duty transport machine has been manufactured with heavy-duty components to ensure stability despite the heavy load. The machine has bunks of the XTE style, pneumatic tensioners, as well as variable stakes. The long timber transport machine has been designed with an extended wheelbase to guarantee smooth transport on paved and forestry roads. To ensure flexibility, the machine has been designed to allow the addition of crane-side consoles, lightweight components, as well as heavy-duty components depending on the forestry requirement. The machine has been designed to guarantee strength, precision, as well as forestry transport safety. Number 9. BPW Hestl Cargo Master. The innovative BPW Hestl Cargo Master is a strap lift and load securing system for curtain siders and box vans that effectively unites safety, efficiency, and ease of operation in one product. Its intelligent tensioning technology automatically retracts any used straps or nets under the vehicle roof, thereby keeping clear the loading area and avoiding trip hazards. Drivers can secure or release cargo wholly from the ground without having to climb onto the trailer. Variants include Cargo Master 501, fixed roof connection, and 502, sliding rail with roller carriages. Newer multi-master integrated systems save up to 55 kilograms of vehicle weight while further extending the flexibility. Loading times are shorter, and the system also meets legal requirements according to DVSA and DEKRA because the goods are totally fixed to the chassis. Durable, corrosion-resistant components increase service life and reliability, making Cargo Master the modern answer to efficiency in commercial transport. Number 10. XL Side Dump. The XL Side Dump is built as a robust side dump trailer that excels in efficiency, safety, and durability during the transportation of bulk material. It is provided in either 2-axle or 3-axle configurations to cater to a capacity of up to 60,000 pounds, along with a measure of either 23 cubic yards, water level position, and 33 cubic yards, strike-off position. The box is made from 1/4 AR450 steel, providing immense resistance to cracking and durable performance. It is also provided with a max length of 41 feet 9 inches and a width of 102 inches, ensuring maximum carrying capability along with ease of handling. It has a dump angle that is 42 degrees, along with the electric Aero Sidekick 2 mesh tarp system that does not allow the material to be dumped over the tarp. Another added safety feature is the automatic tub hooks that activate if one side is ever accidentally dropped. Number 11. Cargo Bull SKO. The Cargo Bull SKO is a robust and versatile semi-trailer, specifically designed for efficient long-distance and regional transportation. Incorporating a robust but lightweight structure, the SKO boasts a considerable cargo weight capability, combined with exceptional fuel economy. The fully robust body design enables the trailer to withstand tough operating conditions, and the SKO is optimized to work efficiently with diverse types of shipments such as palletized cargo, packaging materials, and miscellaneous cargo. Enhanced technologies incorporated in the SKO semi-trailer trail the industry by introducing robust floor designs, optimized shipment dimensions, and aerodynamic solutions that boost shipment efficiency and reduce degradation. Also focusing on the convenience of the driver, the SKO semi-trailer boasts convenient maintenance accessibility, along with optimized handling systems. Number 12. Faymonville Varomax Plus. The Faymonville Varomax Plus is a versatile, modular, heavy-duty, low-bed semi-trailer designed to perform heavy-duty heavy transportation. Its unique feature is the versatile Joker axle that can be moved either between the gooseneck and the front bogie, or between the low bed and the rear bogie to perfectly suit the project. It features a heavy payload and a 2+5 bogie arrangement to easily carry heavy loads. The compact trailer and the possibility of steering the trailer by 60 degrees and fast coupling ensure that the semi-trailer moves freely and easily when transported without a load. It is designed with load-friendly outer beams and a wide excavator trough and features a remote control extension. It is designed with heavy-duty technology and is suitable for the transportation of heavy machines and equipment. Number 13. Maximo Timber Truck. Maximo timber trucks, manufactured by Alucar in the Maximo facility, symbolize state-of-the-art technology in forestry transportation. Alucar assembles custom-made superstructures for timber trucks with the highest quality by incorporating versatile truck chassis from top manufacturers Scania, Volvo, Mercedes-Benz, and MAN. Every year, about 100 to 150 completely customized timber trucks are manufactured for the harsh conditions of the forests. Timber trucks assembled in the Maximo facility display the Built by Alucar quality hallmark, ensuring the customer of completely assembled units ready for direct use in the forest. Recent developments between 2024 to 2026 have introduced some of the lightest timber trucks in the market, in addition to biogas-powered timber trucks with built-in cranes and electric timber trucks with cranes. These have been designed with light aluminum subframes, high-tech XTE bunks, pneumatic load tensioners, and removable crane consoles. Number 14. Benalu Bulk Liners. The Benalu Bulk Liners are bulk transport trailers designed and constructed to perform optimally. These trailers have a 100% aluminum step frame chassis designed to provide stability on the road and enhance the load volume. The Benalu Bulk Liners are constructed with walls that are mechanically welded with the use of rigid plate stiffeners to increase durability. These trailers are designed to have flexible and diverse doors that are either universal or have remote unlocking systems, making them safe and easier to access. The Benalu Bulk Liners can be designed with manual side-wind tarpaulins of diverse thickness and can be strengthened at the upper edges to enhance durability. Additionally, the trailers can be designed to have the latest tarpaulin systems that are either electric or air-powered. The electric/air-powered mechanism is utilized to roll out the cover, and the air chambers are then used to tighten the cover. With that, we conclude our list of next-level truck inventions and take the future of trucking to the next-level heights. If you liked this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to learn more about the mind-blowing inventions like the one described above. Tell us your favorite truck in the comment box and watch out for the upcoming countdown.